In this video, I'll show you how to create the scripts folder in GTA 5 so script mods can work properly in 2026. Check my video description for this mod link. First, right click on the LUA and select main drawer and select open within drawer. Close stuff here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before installing any mods, backup your GTA 5 folder. Once you're done, drag and drop these two files inside the game folder. Then go back, open the release.zip, and drop these two files inside the scripts folder. Then go back. I'm in scripts folder right now. Open the LemonUI, open DN3, drag and drop all these files inside the scripts folder. And then close stuff here. Installation is done. Now you can install any mods you like and the mod will 100% work. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.